Hi guys, welcome back to Elyssa's Beauty Room. For those that are new, make sure you subscribe to be part of my beauty room, and for those that are returning, I'm glad to have you back. So today we will be discussing makeup. We're discussing high-end makeup at a discounted price. For those who like to keep it on the low, to keep it on a budget, I got you, girl. So make sure you hit that bell button and you hit that subscribe once again so you do not miss any of that content. And if you're really interested in watching, just stay tuned. Alright, so like I said, today we're talking discounted makeup. I have discovered this website a couple years ago. I think I saw a sponsored video from another fellow YouTuber creator. I'll link her name if I remember, but that video just blew my mind. I couldn't believe that you could get actual high-end makeup at a discounted price, lower than the 20% that Sephora offers twice a year. So basically the website is called Glambot. It's a website where people like me or you who have a whole lot of makeup, do not necessarily want to keep all of it and would like to kind of put it to good use. So basically they sell it to Glambot for an amount of money, and then Glambot resells it to people like us who like to buy more stuff but at a discounted price. So back then I was still working on building my makeup kit. As you know, I'm a makeup artist. I still do to this day. The way it works on Glambot is that the makeup can be slightly used or completely new. They'll tell you the percentage of used it is once you click on the item, and I always get 90%, and typically when I get the 90%, they come out new. So I'm going to show you the products that I got this time. So your package will come in a bubble mailer like this. I have to admit I was a little bit disappointed this time because last time I ordered, that was a couple years ago, it came in a beautiful pink metallic bubble mailer. This time it came in this one, and it looked like that. And I already unboxed the products, but they just came wrapped in brown paper. And on the brown paper, someone had just marked Glambot on there's a return label, I think, here. Yeah, they just written Glambot with a marker on the brown paper. So that was disappointing. But here are the products that I got. I got mostly foundations. They had a really huge sale going on. So believe it or not, but this Mercier here Tinted Moisturizer, I got for $10. And this Cover FX Natural Finish Foundation, I got for $10. So this was completely new to me. This is a ride or die, a product that I use very frequently. The Cover FX Natural Finish Foundation is the foundation that I'm wearing right now. This is in the shade N100. It's a full coverage, I would say medium to full coverage, but you know, leaning on the full coverage foundation with a natural satin finish. It's not matte whatsoever. If you have oily skin, I would recommend priming a whole lot and setting with powder because it does leave kind of a shiny finish, but the coverage is outstanding, and also the consistency is kind of thin, so you can really build on to your face and it doesn't feel heavy whatsoever, but it gives you the coverage and it looks like skin. That's why I love this foundation. So here you go with my little review on this one. I got shade N100. I got shade G110, and this one is not in the right box. This one either. And the shade N90. I already have N90. N90 is my winter shade and it works amazing, but N100 is now my summer shade. I'll show you some swatches on my hand so you can see. This is N90 right here. I can still get away with it right now, but and this is N100. It's much deeper, but it still has that beautiful undertone to it that I like, and this works for me the best right now. So N90 and 100. Basically the way it works, they go by N, G's, and P's. So N stands for neutral, G stands for golden, and P stands for I honestly do not know. I honestly do not know. Do your research, guys. But these are the shades that I got. I like to have many different shades of this foundation to kind of follow my skin tone throughout the year, and also to add to my kit, because I do enjoy this foundation quite a bit. I have quite the collection of it. I have more here. I just love this foundation. That's how good it is. Now, on to the Laura Mercier. I've been itching to get a Laura Mercier a tinted moisturizer since like way back when. You remember when it was in a different tube and every YouTubers were talking about it? It was all the rage, and I wanted one so bad back then and just never got around to getting it. They now reformulated it and changed the packaging. I was able to snatch 2 shades, which is 5N1 Walnut and 6N1 Mocha. These are tinted moisturizers, guys. They are not foundation. They are very sheer, and I feel like it's good for a beach day, a summer day, or going to the gym and you just want like a little bit of a base. Definite yes for me. This is shade 6N1 Mocha. Wow, that was a bad swatch, isn't it? 6N1 Mocha. I'll show you 5N1 Walnut. I feel like both of the shades work for me, but don't be fooled, they do oxidize on the skin, so they look lighter, and then the dry down is quite different. But I've worn both so far, and I like the darker one right now because I'm more tan, and I'll probably wear this one during the winter season. But I like this. It's very sheer, it's very natural, it has a really nice finish. If you'd like me to have a full review on this product alone, let me know by liking the video. If I get enough likes, I'll just do a review on its own. For the Cover FX foundation, I'll just include a demo, an application of it, and my review will be completely final.
Ryan Little.
Alright, so as you can see, this is how the foundation looks. It's absolutely bomb. Like I said, again, if you want a review on this product right here, let me know, and I will do that. As for Glambot, they always have coupon codes. They're always having sales. Make sure you subscribe to their mailing list so they can send you their discounts. You can find brands like Hourglass, Giorgio Armani, Chanel, Lancome, NARS. You can find all of that on that website. They literally have everything you can think of. They have a whole lot of MAC for discounted prices, and I, on top of that, wait for whenever they have a sale going on so you can save even more money. One thing I have to note though is that this order this time around took over 2 months to get to me, and I blame it on the COVID. The COVID is slowing down pretty much everything, sadly, so I'm giving them a pass for that. Hopefully they get it together, and hopefully it gets better next time around. But just to let you guys know, for those 5 foundations that are retail, that I'll just list it right here, the retail price, I got the 5 of them for $48.50, which is, I had a coupon, it was $50, I had a coupon, it ended up being $48.50, something like that. So yeah, guys, make sure you check out Glambot. Make sure you subscribe, click that like button, and if you appreciated my video, and I'll see you back on the next one. Peace.
Hello.
Oh, she wanted to say hi. Say hi, girl. Come closer.
Hello.
Hi, it's my little sister.
Yes.
Goodbye.
Wait.
Ah!